But during the third quarter of this century, the world has seen unprecedented progress comprising in these about 25 years an order of economic growth which is unparalleled in human history. And yet around the close of this quarter century, more specifically over the last 8 months or so, the world has also been engulfed by numerous problems. There is even danger that the present international economic system, which has been the sheet anchor of the orderly development of the post Second War world economy, may collapse. We may revert to a chaotic situation in the matter of international trade and exchanges unless corrective steps are taken to ensure the proper functioning of the international economic system. It is therefore most timely that international financial experts from both developed and underdeveloped countries, from countries with a persistent balance of payment surplus as well as with chronic balance of payment problems, from countries on the threshold of development and from those struggling to break out of the vicious circle of poverty. Low savings and low investment and consequent low income have gathered here today to discuss the problems of the world economy in this crucial period of human history. The major problem of the world for the next 25 years, as I see it, is that of bringing about a better balance in the living standards and rates of growth of different peoples inhabiting this planet. As I stated earlier, the world has been unprecedented growth over the last 25 years, an order of growth which perhaps the world has not seen in a couple of centuries preceding this quarter century, or even perhaps over 1,000 years preceding the last couple of centuries. Nonetheless, this growth has occurred only in certain parts of the world and has left behind vast sections of the human race living in conditions prevailing in the Middle Ages or even worse. This inevitably gives rise to tensions and to problems of international exchanges which are deep seated and for which all thinking men have to find an adequate solution. In the race of growth, we cannot afford to forget or to neglect the conditions of life and the prospects of growth for large sections of the world population. Large disparities lead to tensions and create manifold problems and discrepancies with a country. With improved communications, the same is likely to hold true for the Committee of Nations. Over.